Okay, today we're gonna focus on the letter B or letra ba sa Masbateño. We are going to I'm not gonna translate this, I'm just gonna go ahead and pronounce the words just because, whatchamacallit, I want you to get the feel for how this language is just gonna be like, okay? So starting with balay. Okay, balay, babayi, buhay, balhas, balun, bao, bukid, bulan, bado, badil, boho, bolig. Okay. Again, I just want you to get the feel for the consonant b, right? The b. Okay. Sa letra ba, right? Ba. So here are example sentences that I can read to you. And again, just get the feel for it, okay? I don't want you to analyze things. I just want you to get the feel for it. And this is just one thing to do when you're learning a new language, is to just get the feel and the rhythm and the sounds of it. Just be familiarizing yourself with the language. It's part of the process called immersion, okay? So here we go. Diin mo ginbutang ang bado. Diin mo ginbutang ang bado. Next one is, buligi man ako paghanap. Buligi man ako paghanap. Namondo ang bao. Namondo ang bao. The next one is, may tawo kag may badil, sabi niya. May tawo kag may badil, sabi niya. Diyotay ang balay ko. Diyotay ang balay ko. And the last one is, kadaka balhason kita kun pagdalagan. Kadaka balhason kita kun pagdalagan. So it's a little, I guess, kind of interesting if you start to get the feel for it, right? And I think you start to get to notice some patterns here too, right? So just keep that in mind. But yeah, there are, little patterns and stuff that you can take a look at, like diin mo gin botang an, yeah, gin botang an bado. So it's kind of like stuff like that. Like even for this sentence here, namondo an bao, an bado, an bao, sorry, an bao. So a lot of b. So yep, hopefully that helps.